Welcome back to Way to Rich channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many parents and students alike: back-to-school shopping. Did you know that the average American family is expected to spend nearly $800 per child on supplies for the upcoming school year? That's a substantial cost, and for parents of college students, it can be even higher. But here's the kicker. These expenses often become a significant source of financial stress that can disrupt your budgeting for the entire year. This year, back-to-school shopping comes with its own set of challenges. Not only do parents have to gather supplies for regular, in-person school, but they might also need items for remote learning setups. And as if that wasn't enough, we're doing all of this while keeping safety in mind during our shopping trips. So, in today's video, we're going to give you some practical tips and strategies to help you navigate the world of back-to-school shopping without breaking the bank. Whether you're a parent preparing your kids for school or a student getting ready for the academic year, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the 7 budget-friendly back-to-school shopping. 1. Develop a budget for back-to-school shopping to stay within your financial limits. It's all about budgeting. That's right. Before the shopping frenzy begins, take a moment to calculate the projected costs for your back-to-school needs. You see, some purchases, like textbooks or mandatory school supplies, may come at a fixed cost. But then there are those expenses that can vary widely. Think back-to-school clothes, electronics for remote learning, and more. So, here's the game plan. Setting a budget is like having your financial roadmap for this shopping journey. It helps you figure out exactly how much you can afford to spend without going overboard. Plus, it gives you a clear goal to work towards through your savings efforts. 2. Watch for back-to-school discounts and promotions. You know, the competition for back-to-school shopping dollars is intense among retailers, which is great news for us savvy shoppers. If you pay close attention, you're bound to find competitive pricing and excellent deals. One great tip is to keep an eye on those print ads and online promotions. Check out the back-to-school sales from your favorite local retailers. They often have fantastic deals and discounts waiting for you. And don't forget about online-only retailers like Amazon. They offer a wide variety of school supplies at competitive prices, and you can even find exclusive deals during the back-to-school season. Now, when it comes to popular products like notebooks and pencils, the back-to-school season can be a goldmine for savings. You'll often find the best prices during this time, so it's a perfect opportunity to stock up. 3. Seek out web discounts through platforms like Honey or Wikibuy. Let's dive right in. Honey and Wikibuy are online apps that do the hard work for you. They scour the internet for discount codes and lower prices on the purchases you're making. When you're about to make a purchase online, these apps will automatically search for available discounts and coupons. They'll then apply the best deals, potentially saving you a ton of money. Now, here's where it gets exciting. These apps can offer significant savings when it comes to purchasing those higher-priced items, like graphing calculators, headphones, or laptop and tablet devices. We all know how expensive those can be, right? 4. Purchase items in large quantities. Whether you're shopping for one child or multiple kids, buying in bulk can be a game changer. Sure, it might seem like you're shelling out a bit more cash up front, but trust me, the long-term savings are well worth it. So, what should you bulk purchase? Well, think about those common supplies that every student needs. Things like notebooks, pens, pencils, erasers, folders, and glue. Instead of buying these items individually, consider grabbing them in larger quantities. This not only saves your money but also reduces the number of shopping trips you'll need to make throughout the school year. Let's break it down. Say you buy a pack of pens individually for $1 each. But if you buy a bulk pack of 20 pens for just $10, that's only 50 cents per pen. See how the savings add up quickly? So, before you head out on your back-to-school shopping spree, take a moment to calculate if bulk purchases make sense for you. It's a smart move for your wallet and your convenience. 5. If you can, space out your back-to-school buying over the course of the year. Tip number 4 is all about timing when it comes to purchasing certain items like shoes and clothing. Here's the deal. It's not necessary to make all those new purchases right before the school year begins. Why, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. In the weeks leading up to the fall semester, retailers tend to price these non-essential items at a premium. That's because they know everyone's in a rush to get their hands on them. But here's the savvy shopper's secret. By spreading those purchases out and maybe even waiting until the fall to pick up certain supplies, you can also spread out the cost. This can really ease the financial hit you'll suffer in the lead up to fall classes. Plus, it gives you more time to hunt for deals. And who doesn't love a good bargain? By waiting a bit, you can keep an eye out for sales, discounts, and special promotions, which means more money saved in your pocket. 6. Make online shopping a family event. Improve your savings efforts by enlisting your family in hunting down the best online deals. It's a fun way to involve everyone while saving money together. Encourage all of the members of your family to search through top retail sites like Walmart, Target, and Amazon to compare prices and find the best deals on supplies. And hey, don't forget about reseller sites like eBay, which can offer steep discounts on new or like-new items. You'll be surprised at the gems you can find there. Here's the fun part: a little friendly competition can lower the cost of your back-to-school shopping while also teaching your children how to save. So, gather around the computer, make it a family affair, and start hunting for those incredible deals. It's a win-win for your wallet and a great opportunity to bond with your loved ones. 7. Employ safe shopping methods to trim your in-store duration. Many families are looking for ways to minimize their exposure in retail stores. But fear not. You can limit your time spent in physical stores by making the most of convenient retail services. Services like contactless shopping, in-store pickup, and curbside pickup allow you to shop online and pick up your items safely without spending too much time in store. What's even better is that some retailers offer special savings promotions for purchases made using these services. Keep your eyes peeled for these deals. They can help you save money while promoting safer shopping. When it comes to back-to-school shopping, remember that persistence and planning are your allies. By using these smart shopping strategies, you can lower the costs of your supplies and keep more money in your bank account. And there you have it, folks. We've covered some fantastic tips for making your back-to-school shopping not only budget-friendly but also hassle-free. Remember, the key to success is planning, persistence, and utilizing the resources available to you. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared for the school year ahead without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Your support means the world to us. And hey, if you have your own budget-friendly back-to-school shopping tips or any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other out. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck with your back-to-school shopping adventure. Here's to a fantastic school year ahead. Until next time, take care.